Here's how to repair and reset your sluggish metabolism to give you unlimited fat loss results. If your goal is trying to lose weight and you're over the age of 40, this video is for you. Hey everybody, I'm Brian, founder of FatLossAfter40.com. And as we age after the age of 40, our number one goal, our big domino needs to be to repair and reset our sluggish metabolism, because over years of extreme dieting and extreme exercise, genetics, a lot of different other factors, stress, our metabolism starts to slow down. So what we need to do is we need to first repair, then reset our sluggish metabolism. And the benefit of this, the beauty of this, is that you can retrain it. I know you can. Here's 3 ways to do it. Number 1 is we want to focus on progressive strength training. So what does that mean? That means that you want to say goodbye, skip the cardio, and focus more on strength training. What that's going to do is going to help do a number of things. First, it's going to ignite your metabolism like nothing else. Your metabolism is contingent on how much muscle tone you have. The more muscle tone you have, the higher your metabolism. So if you can strength train, you're going to get stronger, you're going to get more sculpted, you're going to get leaner, and more importantly, your metabolism is going to be on fire. Number 2 is we want you to focus on the power of protein, the protein first, meaning that you want to make sure you're getting at least 100 grams of protein each and every day. We always recommend 4 to 5 small meals a day. So all that really is 20 to 25 grams of protein a day. It's not that difficult to get. Sounds hard, but it's not as hard as you think. And number 3 is just make sure you get enough rest. You really do want to get that 7 to 8 hours of rest a night. And here's why: is your body repairs itself at rest. So when you're sleeping, you're actually rejuvenating yourself. You're resting yourself, and your metabolism is resetting itself for the next day. Follow those 3 things. I'm going to give you a 4th thing too. And this is a super simple one, but we always overlook it, is that make sure you're getting at least 100 ounces of water a day. And that is way, way more important than it sounds, because every metabolic function in the body requires water. So if you're dehydrated, you're not drinking enough water, your metabolism's not going to be working at optimal levels. So get your water, follow those other 3 things, get the results that you desire and deserve.